Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Wi-Fi. We have two options how to check it. The first one, we can create a widget. So you need to press and hold at empty space, then click Editor Plus at the left top and add widget. Now scroll down and you need to click at the batteries, or you can also use a search and write batteries here. Right here we have 3 presets and you need to select the best one for you. So then click at widget and you can check battery percentages right here anytime, but make sure that your headphones turn on and connected to your phone. But right here we have general battery percentages. The better option is to use an application. Open HUAWEI AirLife app, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the application. Then you will see them at the device list. And right here, as you can see, we have the battery percentages for the left and right earbuds, and also for the charging case. You can also tap at your earbuds and check it right here. The same information. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!